Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, where online income generation becomes a reality. In this video, we dive deep into the art of mastering affiliate marketing strategies. Get ready to unlock the secrets of becoming a successful affiliate marketer and unleash your earning potential. From understanding the fundamentals to choosing profitable niches, we will guide you through the essential steps to thrive in this dynamic field. Learn how to create compelling content that engages and converts audiences, and discover techniques to maximize your affiliate revenue. It's time to take control of your financial future and master the strategies that will elevate your online income generation to new heights. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful online business model that enables individuals to earn passive income by promoting products or services for other companies. It operates on a commission-based system where affiliates receive a percentage of the sales they generate through their unique affiliate links. Understanding affiliate marketing involves grasping the importance of building trust, providing value, and effectively communicating the benefits of the products or services being promoted. It requires research, audience analysis, and strategic selection of affiliate programs that align with the interests and needs of the target audience. By comprehending the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, individuals can harness its potential to create a scalable and profitable online business, generating income even while they sleep. Choosing profitable niches, identifying target markets for successful affiliate marketing. Selecting profitable niches is a crucial step in achieving success in affiliate marketing. By identifying target markets with high demand and less competition, affiliates can maximize their earning potential. Factors such as keyword research, competitor analysis, and audience demographics play a vital role in niche selection. It's essential to evaluate the market's profitability, growth potential, and affiliate program offerings. By choosing profitable niches, affiliates can position themselves as experts and build credibility within their target markets. This strategic approach increases the chances of attracting a loyal audience and generating substantial affiliate commissions. Creating compelling content, strategies for engaging and converting audiences. In the world of affiliate marketing, creating compelling content is paramount to capturing the attention and interest of your target audience. Here are some effective strategies to create content that resonates with your audience and maximizes affiliate marketing success. Firstly, know your audience. Conduct thorough research to understand their demographics, interests, pain points, and desires. This knowledge will help you tailor your content to their specific needs. Thirdly, focus on storytelling. Craft compelling narratives that connect emotionally with your audience. Stories have the power to engage, inspire, and create a memorable experience that resonates with readers. Fourthly, incorporate visual elements. Use high-quality images, videos, infographics, and charts to enhance the visual appeal of your content. Next, optimize your content for search engines. Conduct keyword research and strategically incorporate relevant keywords into your content to improve its visibility in search results. Finally, encourage audience interaction. Include calls to action that encourage readers to comment, share, subscribe, or take the desired action that leads to conversions. By implementing these strategies, you can create compelling content that captivates your audience, builds trust, and ultimately drives conversions in your affiliate marketing efforts. Maximizing affiliate revenue. Techniques for optimizing conversions and generating online income. When it comes to affiliate marketing, the ultimate goal is to maximize revenue and generate a substantial online income. Here are strategies to maximize your affiliate revenue and propel your online income to new heights. Firstly, choose the right affiliate programs. Select programs that offer competitive commissions, quality products or services, and strong support. Partnering with reputable companies enhances your credibility and increases the likelihood of conversions. Secondly, know your audience intimately. Understand their preferences, pain points, and motivations. Tailor your content, promotions, and recommendations to address their specific needs. Thirdly, employ persuasive and strategic content marketing tactics. Craft compelling product reviews, comparison guides, and informative articles that highlight the benefits and value of the products you're promoting. Next, leverage the power of visual media. Incorporate high-quality images, videos, and infographics to enhance the visual appeal of your content. Visuals not only capture attention, but also help communicate the value and benefits of the products effectively. Furthermore, build trust and authority. Engage with your audience through genuine interactions, respond to comments and inquiries, and provide valuable insights. Additionally, utilize data and analytics to track and analyze your affiliate marketing efforts. Monitor key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated. Lastly, continuously optimize and refine your strategies. Test different approaches, track results, and make data-driven decisions. A/B testing landing pages, headlines, and calls to action can uncover the most effective conversion optimization strategies. By implementing these techniques, you can maximize your affiliate revenue, drive higher conversions, and generate a substantial online income. Thank you for joining us on this journey to maximize your affiliate revenue and generate online income. Keep applying these strategies and watch your earnings soar. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and tips on our channel to stay ahead in the dynamic world of affiliate marketing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on affiliate marketing.